welcome back to my channel and to my dollhouse. In the last video I showed you how I made this bed, and today we're going to make a matching bench. I started with a strip of 1-inch wide craft wood and 4 spindles, both from Hobby Lobby. I stained them with Minwax wood stain and set them aside to dry. You'll see later how the warm tone of the stain ties everything together in the room. For the cushion, I searched online for images of Persian rug runners. The longer, narrow proportions worked best for a bench, and I chose patterns with a border that I could wrap around the sides. I copied several designs into a Word document, resized them to different dimensions, and printed them on the same paper I used in my rug video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it above. Once the wood was dry, I cut it to the same width as the bed, gave it a light sanding, and touched up the edges with stain. For the cushion base, I cut a piece of foam cord to match the wood and added cotton padding from a jewelry box. I peeled away a layer, folded it over, and glued it down with tacky glue. After it dried, I trimmed it to size. Here's the first pattern I chose. I cut it out with a small border, tested the fit, and then I creased the sides to form the cushion edges. After trimming the corners and coloring the edges with a marker, I glued the long sides first, held them in place to set, and then glued down the short ends. And here's the finished cushion. For the base, I cut the spindles to size with a craft knife and glued them to the wooden top. Once it was dry, I placed the cushion on top, and here's the finished bench. It fits right in with the bed and the rest of the room. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video. You can follow my progress on this dollhouse by checking out the playlist linked here. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to check out my other videos too. I've got more cozy furniture pieces and room updates coming soon. Thanks for watching.